How to fix Facebook friend suggestion not showing on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Facebook. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on settings and privacy. Now go to settings. Now scroll down. Now tap on your information and permissions. Now go to upload contacts. Now select your Facebook account. Now give all the permissions. Simply enable this toggle and go back. If your issue is still not solved, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management. Now search for Facebook. Now once you're done, simply tap on Facebook. Click on force stop and go to storage uses. Now tap on clear data. Now restart the application. I hope this is fixes so that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.